Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to deep dive about the data streams, data lake object and data model object. So basically the interviewer they will ask like why is the difference between all these objects in the Salesforce data cloud. So basically data stream is nothing but we can say it is a source from where we are loading the data, or we can say it is a temporary storage of the data that is not harmonized, like it is totally the raw data. We cannot see this data stream in the data cloud. So the data streams record will be moved to data lake object. Okay, on this data lake object we can see the record using the data explorer, or we can see here we have one more thing was there, that using that we can using the query editor we can use this data lake object. Here we can see we can apply a little logic to filter, or we can say to categorize the data, like by creating a formula field on this. So once you apply a formula field, like I want like let's suppose the account that created in year 2025 or year in 2024, we can create a formula field and we can segregate the data using some formula field. So this formula field, this data lake object will be, we can say then later, transformed to a data model object. In data model object, we can see here we have to do lots of mapping. Here we can apply the identity resolution. Here we can apply the segmentation, we can apply the matching rule, much more thing we can do like down this stream. So basically we can, the 360 view of data, we can use data model to see all the record. So we can say like data stream is nothing but it is a source where the data will be temporarily stored and cannot be viewed in the any of the browser in data cloud. But in data lake is the we can say a small filter kind of record that we can apply using formula field, and this data lake object record can be seen using the data explorer. And then when data lake object, we have to map the data model object, where we have to do mapping of all the fields based on the requirement, like either it's a custom field or it is a standard field. We can map everything and then we can apply all the rules on the data model, and this record can be seen inside the 360 view of the data cloud. So this will be used for the reporting purpose. This is you will be used for the sending data to the out of the we can say data cloud. Like if you're using the marketing cloud, you're using service cloud, using sales cloud, you are using some external application, so data will be pushed from the data model object to the external we can say sources by using this actions that is in the data cloud. So I hope like we can say this data model is the most harmonized data. It is totally like useful data that can be used for targeting a particular segment or customers or anything. So I hope you understood what is use of data stream, data lake, and data model object. Thank you for watching my video.